guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Shopkins eggs. As you guys see, where's my cactus? Okay, let's just open it. I don't need to, but trying to cut. I found something. Let's open this. Very strong. What? Okay, open it the other side. Okay, we're going to open the egg up without breaking the rules.
I want to put the napkin at the back.
Okay, then you can do it. I can hear your chair sound.
Yeah. And somebody take a Nerf gun and try to steal our Shopkins egg.
Yeah.
Freeze! Hey guys, freeze!
No.
Give me your egg.
I hate you.
You want me to shoot you, or you want the eggs, or you want your life?
I want my eggs.
And okay, bye.
Why this tiny cut does not let me open this?
Because you don't open it on the right
Got my key.
position.
I got my key. Got my monkey. Put it inside my finger. Okay, we have open up. Blah, 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 blah. Hi, my name is Monkey. Found another tiny cut from nowhere.
There are always some intruder.
Hi, frog. Rock frog.
How come there's a frog coming in? We need
Can
to
you give me the scissors? Why? How come?
The frog want to eat the egg or what?
You can eat it.
They come to eat the eggs?
Okay, now I'm much smarter now. I made it. Got a pie and the egg. We got a pie and the egg. Cherry pie. And then the egg holder. Let's just open it and show you the real thing. We have these open cute pumpkins. We got this cute pumpkins pie. Let's put it here. Okay, now let's open the egg thingy holder. I found a bag. Okay, now we can open it. Okay, well, where's the holes? Right here. Open it more, please. Okay, now we got it. We got this egg. Got a spoon right here. This is the two that we just opened the first set. This is just what we got now. Evening, baby, cut the egg. Cut the egg. I'm gonna crack the egg. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million